How to remove My AI Chat on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Scroll down until you reach the account action section. Tap on Clear Conversations. This option allows you to remove individual chats from your chat feed. In the list of recent conversations, look for My AI. Tap on the X icon next to My AI to remove it from the feed. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Clear to confirm and remove My AI from your chat. This won't delete My AI permanently, it just removes it from your visual chat list. If you send another message to My AI later or search for it, it will reappear in your chat feed. And that's how you can remove My AI Chat on Snapchat.